What it do, YouTube? What it do? Welcome back to the channel, man. Welcome back to the KB Show. And you see we got the SV Range finally done. Full, complete system audio makeover in this car. Let's start with the front. We got that DOF playing. So we got a new center channel, focal. We got our 3.5-inch focal up there. We got our focal tweet and our focal 6.5. Same for the rear door. We got our focal tweet. We got a focal 3.5, and we got a focal 6.5-inch speaker down there. You see this Range has the custom $20,000 rear seat entertainment option. And then you see back here we got the 3 focal Utopia 10s. Ported box with 2 4-inch aero ports down the bottom into the spare spare tire wheel well. And we got our 3 amplifiers here. This amplifier is the 830 Mosconi, powering our front stage. Then we got our Mosconi 4-channel powering our rear tweets from the components. And then we have our Mosconi 2-channel bridged, powering the subwoofers, giving them 2,500 watts RMS. So that completes this. This thing bangs, man. One of my favorite systems that we've done so far in the SV Range, or period. And if you're in the Las Vegas area and you need some music done in your vehicle, and you got a high-end ride, you don't know where to take it, get in my DMs, man. Let me know. We dissected this brand new Range, man. It's 2024. Got 4,000 miles on it. 5,000, my bad. I got 5,000 miles on the Range. We dissected the whole thing and got it back right. This thing sounds amazing, man. Videos would never do it justice, but y'all let me know what y'all think, man. Y'all let me know, man. Tap in with me. If you're in the Las Vegas area, tap in with me. You need some music done in your vehicle, comment below. Let me know what you think. Would you do this? Would you spend $20,000 after you spent $200,000 to get the music done? Let me know. Yes, sir.